Why is
Mm.
Ina's legs so long? They look long.
His feet are huge.
Hey!
I gotta stay grounded, you know? Big feet.
Definitely.
But does it mean that when when you draw Ina with huge feet, does it mean Ina has huge tentacles?
How does that correlate?
I've heard that correlates.
How?
I think that's a... Never mind.
That sounds fake. Yeah, that sounds fake.
Let's not cross that line, Kiara. I don't think they got it.
Wait, somebody explain the joke. You guys
not
know
a
what they say
joke.
about big socks, big tentacles.
I'm just talking about tentacles.
Mom,
And,
come
I
pick
mean,
me
we-
up.
We do see
Get me out of here.
Ina definitely has huge tentacles. I mean, have you seen her tentacles?
I mean,
Mommy.
Amelia.
I'm your mommy.
Kiara saying weird things again.